Linksys Velop Pro 6E Tri-Band Mesh Wi-Fi System Setup. Remove the units from the box and place them in desired locations for optimal coverage. Plug each unit into a power outlet and wait for the LED to light up. Install the Linksys app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Open the app, create a new account or log into your existing Linksys account. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi system in the app. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the primary Velop unit to your modem. The app will guide you through the setup process, including naming your network and setting a password. If you have more units, follow the app's instructions to add them to the mesh network. Use the app to test the speed and coverage of your new Wi-Fi network. Ensure your system is running the latest firmware for optimal performance and security.